I have 20 rides on Thomas. Since the music's off, I'm gonna do it. Ready?
Hold on tight, here we go.
And yes.
Hello, would you like to have a go? Go on, try it.
What about no? Yeah, it's weird, the music's off for some reason. I don't know why, actually. This sounds a little bit catchy, I'm not gonna lie. To be honest. It's just one thing when I did this last week, it wasn't really that good, by the way. Because it was so busy here, annoyingly. It's just actually appear this every time, actually. That's why I'm going to do this one again, actually. See, look how catchy it sounds. I'm telling you that much. Ready? 5, 4.
This ride will accept 10p,
SpongeBob there.
20p,
I'll just wait for it to stop, by the way.
£1 and £2 coins in any order. Change is not given. Hold on tight, here we go.
Yeah, Thomas and Friends theme song sounds really catchy when it's quiet here. I'm not going to joke, actually. See, look how catchy it sounds. I'm telling you that much. I'm not going to argue with that, actually. Just to be honest. Yeah, I think it's a little bit rainy around here now. Where all this is, by the way, I think. I could be wrong. It's SpongeBob's going over track mode. Which means you won't be able to hear Thomas.
Go on, have a go. Hold on tight, here we go.
If I tried. There's Peppy over there, and there's Pepper Hoy and SpongeBob. I said that they're quite squashed, by the way. Yeah, Pepper's gone over chat mode.
This is my little brother George. This is Bobby Pig. And this is Daddy Pig.
I heard that then,
Have a go.
when it goes to that part. I almost heard that then. Which I've got good ears, actually. It's just very weird we're having the music on. Very weird, actually.
Or Guardian.
I've got no idea why this sounds really catchy, this one. It just does. Probably the music's lost its mind today. Or the radio advert, actually.
Hold on tight, here we go.
But I do believe it's lost its mind today. Which I do believe. So I don't think it's going to be on today, unfortunately. Well, I'm good, actually. That means I won't be able to hear it. I'd rather hear this instead. The Thomas Kiddie ride, actually. Instead of music. Because it was a little bit loud.
Would you like to have a go? Go on, try it.
I am ignoring you, Norvelisha. Don't you know that? I hope you understand that, Norvelisha. Because trust me, I don't want to have a go. But I will think about it, actually. I just don't know why it sounds really catchy, this one. This is why I love this ride, by the way. That's one thing that really makes me happy, actually. I'm glad it's not that busy around here, thankfully.
Hold on tight, here we go.
I'm actually glad, to be honest. Well, let's go find Dashboard POV. What did want to actually, to be honest? I've got my glass on today. Because it's quite cold here. That's why it's so cold at the moment, by the way. If you're wondering. But yeah. That stupid kid crying.
10p, 20p, 50p, £1.
I wish that kid stopped crying, actually. Just ignore that, guys.
Change is not given.
There's not much I can do about it. It's sorry that kid just cried there. You're probably going to have to forgive me. Annoyingly. I used to think when it was raining, then people would actually go, actually. That's what I used to think. I could just hear Pepper. The announcements. Well, this is going to start about 5, 4, 3. I'll put the camera down here. 2, 1.
Hold on tight. Here we go.
There we go. I'll just put POV for 1 second. Oh, SpongeBob's got another Trampman again.
Go on. Have a go.
I just love that part. I'll tell you that much. This is why I do love this ride, actually. Especially when it's so quiet. It's just lovely, actually. Just to be honest. With no music on the background. Actually. To be honest. It's just lovely. Like, I'm not going to argue with that. If there's no music playing in the background. But this is actually going to start about SpongeBob again. 5, 4, 3, 2. No, start now. Actually. It just bubbles from SpongeBob, apparently. Just that noise there. Pepper's gone over trap mode. At least he's still got his whistle. That's a relief. One thing I'm glad about. Compared to one adventure inside. I prefer the one at Sea Life because it sounds quite catchy. Don't really want to argue with that, actually.
Hello, would you like to have a go? Go on, try it.
Right. So, 8th ride. And the Jolly Roger goes down there, if you can see. If you may see. So that's the Jolly Roger code for Thomas, if anybody wants it. Yeah, I want this back in Mega City, actually. I wish they moved this back in Mega City, actually. It'll make my life a bit easier, actually. I'll give you 3 reasons. Well, number 1, it's just a few kids over here, if you ask me.
Change is not given.
You don't take coins. I'll tell you that much, Northern Leisure. Nice ride. Yeah, I know I've done this already, but it's just that the other film wasn't really that good. Come on, SpongeBob. Oh! There goes the trap mode. Where's the back of it? Thomas logo is on the back. That's Thomas logo on the back, by the way. That's Thomas' tank engine. I don't know why I find that part so catchy.
Children using the slide should be supervised by a parent or guardian. Hold on tight, here we go.
Same ride. There's attraction rods. The other side as well. You can see. Thomas. Yeah, I really love this ride. This is my childhood. This was.
Hello, would you like to have a go? Go on, try it.
Right. I want to put the camera down here, actually.
Yeah, do some other ones later. There's lots more.
Hold on tight, here we go.
It's going off again. Yeah, the button doesn't seem to be flashing. Sadly enough. Unfortunately.
Go on, have a go. This ride will accept 10p, 20p, 50p, £1 and £2 coins in any order. Change is not given.
It must be if I'm listening quiet. It really doesn't remind me a bit, actually. Hang on just a minute. Yeah, I could just about hear Pepper, by the way. I just heard Pepper's announcements. I could just about hear it, by the way. Oh, SpongeBob's going off again. I was just about to hear that part. But apparently SpongeBob went off.
Go on, have a go.
Apparently. I might get resting announcements.
Children using this ride should be supervised by a parent or guardian. Hello, would you like to have a go? Go on, try it.
Just doing the announcements. So I don't know why I find that part so catchy.
This ride
I just do.
10p, 20p, 50p, £1 and £2 coins in any order. Change is not given.
But although you don't take coins, North Alicia. You used to. I believe.
Go on, have a go. Children using
I don't know why the
slide
buttons on
should be
SpongeBob are
supervised
on responsive
by a
mode.
parent or guardian. Hello, would you like to have a go? Go on, try it. This ride will accept 10p, 20p, 50p, £1 and £2 coins in any order. Change is not given. Go on, have a go.
It's a full tooth ride, by the way. If you're wondering. 1-4. I just got no idea why this sounds really catchy on this one. But yeah. See, this is why I adore this ride. I really adore this ride, actually. I love it so much, this one. I'll tell you that much. Although, the car really used to be on SpongeBob over there, but now it's moved there. I'll tell you why, because it's due to people, kids, mess up with it and something on it, to be honest. That's the reason why. I forgot to tell you that, guys. That's why I even moved the car reader. The Nike's car reader. Or something.
Would you like to have a go? Go on, try it.
Well, I won't be if you keep telling me to have a go, Novelisha. I'll tell you that much. It's just there was a few kids over here for 10 seconds. I don't know why they always appear this area for some reason. I've got no idea actually. See, this is why I really love this ride. I love this ride so much. I'm not gonna lie about that, actually. Not gonna lie about that. I hate when there's a few kids around here. That's why I'm making a film, actually. If you are wondering.
This ride will accept 10p, 20p, 50p, £1 and £2 coins in any order.
I'll just wait a minute.
Change is not given. Go on, have a go.
I like SpongeBob's as a track mode. However, the track mode, the theme song is low pitched, as the track mode on SpongeBob. I don't know why. It's actually a 16 ride. No, thank you. Yeah, I'm fine. So it sounds very catchy. I don't know why it sounds really catchy for, but it just does, actually. It's better to do when it's so quiet around here, actually. It's kind of better. So I'll get no kids around here, thankfully.
Children using this ride should be supervised by a parent or guardian.
I just want to ask you, Novelisha, you don't take coins, alright? I just want to remind you that, actually. I don't want to sound mean here, Novelisha. I'm gonna get SpongeBob first.
Hello, would you like to have a go? Go on, try it.
70 ride. I just want to remind you that, Novelisha, just to let you know, that you don't actually take coins, okay? But that was just my dad talking. Yeah, I love surfing, by the way. That's why I come here every week, to be honest. I'm normally I'll come here about Saturday and Sunday actually.
This ride will accept 10p, 20p, 50p,
Oh!
£1 and £2 coins.
Didn't finish it till the end for some reason.
Change is not given.
Y'all can hear Pepper there. Square pants!
Go on, have a go.
If anyone doesn't believe me, this was side of the Mega. It used to be side of the Mega, by the way. That's why it's the same unit. If you're wondering. Pepper's gonna have a trap mode.
Children using this ride should be supervised by a parent or guardian. Hello, would you like to have a go? Go on, try it.
I bet it's an 80 ride. I could be wrong.
This ride will accept 10p, 20p, 50p, £1 and £2 coins
I believe.
in any order. Change is not given.
Yeah, please know, I know I've finished already with 10 rides, 5 rides, but I just want to do this one again. Like I said, it's a little bit quiet around here today. I'm not surprised because it's been raining. See, look how catchy it sounds. Just why would I be lying to that, actually? I think it's a 90 ride. I could be wrong. Oh, square bob, square pants. So that was me singing.
Go on,
The trap mode.
have a go.
What it would sound like.
Children using
Maybe it was
this
low
ride
pitched.
should be supervised by a parent or guardian. Hello, would you like to have a go? Go on, try it. This ride
Just want to get announcements one more time.
20p,
So that's why.
50p, £1 and £2 coins.
It's the back of
in
it.
any order. Change is
I
not
don't know why it's got that on it. The back of it. That's the back of the ride. Okay, I think that was 20 rides of Thomas. I was supposed to say 20, it's a 20 ride, so yeah.